There was a man named Arvind. He had everything that people dream of: a big house, expensive cars, a successful business, and friends who praised him every day. Wherever he went, people respected him. They called him a self made man. But deep inside, Arvind started believing that success would last forever. He stopped learning, he stopped listening, he thought, I am too big to fail. I know everything now. Life was perfect, but arrogance was silently growing inside him. Then, one day, the market crashed. Slowly, his business started sinking. Clients stopped calling, debts started rising. Arvind thought it was just a bad phase, but it wasn't. Within a year, his business was gone, his bank account had zero balance. The same people who once praised him now ignored his calls. He was left with nothing: no money, no work, no friends, just silence. One evening, tired and defeated, Arvind sat at a small tea stall. His eyes were empty. His shoulders, once filled with pride, now looked defeated. The old tea vendor looked at him and smiled kindly. He said, Sir, you look very tired today. But remember, tiredness will go away. Giving up stays forever. Those simple words touched Arvind's heart. He realized, I have lost everything, but I still have my mind. I still have my skills. Maybe I can start again. That night, Arvind made a promise to himself. No more excuses, no more regrets. He would start from zero, and this time, he would not run behind quick success. The next day, Arvind opened a small grocery store. No fancy office, no employees, just him, a small shop, and his willpower. He greeted every customer with a smile. He listened to their needs. Slowly, people started trusting him again. His store became popular, not because of discounts or offers, but because of his genuine effort. Months turned into years. His small store grew into a chain of shops. But this time, Arvind was a changed man. He knew that success is temporary, but learning is forever. He had seen how ego destroys and how humility builds. He understood that it's not about how fast you rise, but how well you build your foundation. Arvind's failure was the best thing that happened to him. It broke his arrogance and built his character. You see, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success. Every fall teaches you how to rise better. Every loss teaches you what truly matters. If you are someone who is afraid of failure, if you are waiting for the perfect time to start, remember Arvind's story. The perfect time is now. You don't need a big opportunity to begin. You just need the courage to take the first step. I want you to say this with me. I will learn from my mistakes. I will not fear failure. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. Success comes to those who don't quit. Success is not about never falling. It's about falling and still choosing to stand up again. Don't be afraid to start small. Don't be afraid of what people will say.